Hello lovelies, this is the twisted fly stitch. I've done this stitch before, but it never hurts to have a reminder. You can use it for these lovely little flowers if you add in some lazy daisies and some French knots. It may look complicated, but trust me, it's really easy. We're going to do this like we would a normal fly stitch. So you're going to bring your needle up through the fabric and then back down through the fabric a stitch length away, depending on how big you want your stitch to be. Don't pull the needle all the way through. You need to keep this loop. We need this loop. And while we would normally come up through the fabric here, we're going to move this loop out the way. Take it to the top, that keeps it nice and out of the way. Bring our needle up through the fabric where we normally would with a fly stitch. We can pull our loop down and we are going to go down into the loop from above. Pull your needle through and it creates this lovely little twist. And then you'll take your needle down into the fabric, stitch length below. So let's do this one more time and a little bit slower. Bring your needle up through your fabric and you're going to go back down through the fabric a stitch length away, level. Don't bring it through all the way, you need to keep that loop. And you can move that loop out of the way by placing it upwards and holding it in place. Bring your needle up through the fabric. You can bring your loop back down now and you're going to take your needle from above and you're going to go downwards into that loop and pull it gently. That creates your twist. And then you can go back down through into the fabric any length away you want to go. It really doesn't matter. It's up to you. There are no rules. Now to create these lovely little flowers, what I did was a lazy daisy stitch first, and in the very middle I did a French knot. That's your twisted fly stitch. Happy stitching.